Today I'm going to record a quick video on how to use PixlrX. I had recorded a video about 3 weeks ago on using Pixlr as an editor for your pictures while we're away from school. And last week I had gotten a lot of feedback from students concerned about editing images, saying that they really didn't know how to do this. So it had occurred to me the video that I created last week was done on a Windows PC. It was showing this same program, but what I decided to do was to record again using my Chromebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up PixlrX. So all you really have to do is open up Chrome, type in Pixlr, and end up going to pixlr.com. If you have a login, log in. If not, create one. Go to PixlrX. I'm going to hit Open Image. And now all of this is going to be dependent on whether or not you have images already in your Google Drive. So from your phone, you're going to have to pre-upload all of the work that you've done and upload it to your Google Drive. What I have done and what I expect all of you to do is, while we're not in school, in your Google Drive, under your My Drive folder, I want you to create a folder called Images or Images for Photography, which is what I have. Inside there is where I want you to put all of your images that you've taken for the class. So for today, I'm going to pick one. I like this one here. I'm going to hit Open, and I'm going to be editing in full HD resolution. You can go higher quality. It may make an impact on your Chromebook, depending if your Chromebook is new enough to handle it. So I'm okay with you guys editing things in full HD. I'm going to hit Apply. And this looks a lot like Adobe Photoshop. There is a bar on the left that is my toolbox. There is a palette on the right for Navigator, for layers, and for history. To do some basic edits, on the left, I'm going to show you you have an adjustment tab, a filter tab, and an effects tab. The adjustment tab looks a lot like Adobe Lightroom. You have sliders where you can slide up or down to increase or decrease vibrancy, saturation, temperature, tint, hue, and all of the different things. I'm going to actually increase my brightness a little bit. I'm going to decrease my blacks a little bit. I'm going to increase my highlights a little bit. I like this picture a lot, and this could be it, just a couple few tweaks. If I want to explore some other things, I can go to filters and I can increase clarity. I can increase my sharpness a little bit if I choose to, and I can make the image whatever I want it to be. Effects are like presets in Lightroom, so you can go through and choose a preset. When you're done, you click Save. It's going to give you options to change the file name, which I will. I'm going to call this Tree Edit 4, and I'm going to choose high quality, and I'm going to hit download. It's going to open up my file browser, and I'm going to make sure that it's going in the same folder that I had it before, My Drive, Images, Images for Photography. I hit Save, and that's all you really need to do. Once I do that, I'll get a little pop-up that says Download Complete. I can close that pop-up, and I'm going to close this dialog for Pixlr, and I'm ready to go. I'll be recording another video about how to add a side-by-side picture, which is going to be very helpful for our This Equals That photography assignment. But for now, this is the basics. So for this week, definitely get your images uploaded from your phone to your Google Drive using the Google Drive app, organize them into a folder, and start playing with Pixlr. If you have any problems, send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.